Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be answering the questions. Can your relative who are citizen or permanent resident in the US be your sponsor for the purpose of the F1 visa interview? So yes, your sponsor can be in the United States, but this is the implication of it. Before we go any further in this YouTube channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel because we're going to provide you more content that relates to this. And there is no rule that expressly say that your sponsor must be in your home country. So your sponsor can be your relative that are living in the United States or that are living in your home country. But what are you to expect when this is your case? Number one, that sponsor being the United States, you have created a stronger tie to the United States while tie to your home country is weaker. This is because you already have a relative in the United States who understand the system, and one way or the other, you may have to stay in the United States. To expect is that the visa officer will want to pry into why your uncle or your auntie or your cousin in the United States want to give you that kind of fund. You need to show why your uncle or your auntie that is in the United States will give you that kind of fund. And if somebody giving you $45,000, $30,000 is a lot of money. So, as I said earlier, because your sponsor is in the United States, there is a link and a tie to the United States than your home country. So, how do you address all this matter? Number one of the ways you can do that is to show a stronger home tie to your home country. Why it is not, it is from your situation, being that your sponsor is in the United States, there's already a link. We can't deny that fact. And that fact cannot be taken out of the equation or out of the conversation. So what you can do is to show a stronger link to your home country. For example, if you are a family man or you're married or you have children or you have wife, that can be a strong tie to your home country where you explain that although my uncle or my auntie is going to be sponsoring me and they're in the United States, but I have a tie to my home country. My wife is in my home country, my children are still back home. I'm not going with my children, and I intend to come back after my program because my family is in your home country, as the case may be. You can talk about whether you have an aged parent if you are not married. You can talk about your aged parent that you're responsible for and how that you cannot be away from them because they are very old and family means a lot to them. Or you can talk about how you have a job available already in your home country. So one of the ways you can deal with the assumption, because there's an assumption in the mind of the visa officer that you want to migrate because your sponsor is already in the United States. So a way to counter that assumption is to show the stronger home tie that you have to your home country. You can talk about either your family back home, your aged parents, employment opportunity, or you have landed property. You just need to prove that you have a stronger home tie. And it's way to prove the stronger home tie is by the answers that you give. So these are examples of answer you can give in case whereby the sponsor is either a citizen or a permanent resident in the United States. So this is another answer that you can give. This is another answer that you can give. This is another answer that you can give. I hope you find this very helpful, even as you prepare for your F1 visa interview. From me to you, I wish you all the best from my heart. And please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because there's more of such content coming to help you prepare for your F1 visa interview. Till meet again in our next video. Stay blessed. And remember, this year, take those baby steps because great vision, great wealth, and greatness lie on the premise of small baby step. Thank you so much and bye-bye.